Hey, this is Brian Mandrell, and I hope that you're having a great day today. Today's a very exciting day because I'm going to show you how to do a blog and to help you start making money as soon as possible. So, first of all, I'm here in my back office or my activity feed of Empower. I am using Mozilla Firefox as my browser instead of Google Chrome because it seems to actually work better when you're doing a post or a page in Firefox. Chrome does work as well, but it seems that Firefox works just a little bit better. And because I am in Firefox, if you see right here, this is one of the videos by David Wood, and it's this like connection is untrusted. This is basically showing you that the connection, because of my security settings in Firefox, won't show me this video. But if you scroll down here in my activity feed, it comes up here as well. So that's not an issue at all, because we're just going to do a post today. So let's get started. Once again, you want to come up here to the text box, and you just want to click on that, and that will bring you here to where you put your content in for your blog post. And today I'm going to do a post over vitamins to help sleep. Remember, we actually did that with the keyword search, and there's 170 searches per month over that keyword. So what I do is I actually do everything. I am a PC user, so I do everything in Word. So what I do is I actually take and build out my blog in Word first, and then I actually transfer it over this way, because the reason I do it in Word is because it shows me my word count. So for about right now, I'm about 1,000 words on this blog post, because you want to be over the 500 word mark when you do a blog post for the on-page SEO. So let's go up here, and I'll copy and paste this into my blog post, and let's go for right there, and then use copy, and then I go down here, and then I'm going to paste. So let me paste. So I paste. And then because of my browser security settings, I cannot access this directly. So I just put it in here, and I paste again, and then you push OK. And then so it's saying it's not possible to clean up the pasted data due to an internal error, and that's because of my browser settings, my security settings in Firefox. So you just go ahead and push OK with that, and then there's your content. So let's go up here real quick before I do anything here with the content on the page. So up here on the message title, that is going to be the title to your blog post. And once again, you want to put in the keywords that you're working on. So it's vitamins to help you sleep to GHT. All right. So vitamins to help you sleep. So the keywords that we're using is vitamins to help sleep. So once again, with this on the title, you want to put it to where it is user friendly, but the keywords are in here. Once again, vitamins help sleep. Those are the keywords. So everything is in here. So it says vitamins to help you sleep. And this is the title, or the meta title that someone will see when they click on this, when they see this in Google. So if you notice right here, there's like all these spaces right here in between. That's because once again, when I transfer it over, that it would not clean up the actual data. So what you want to do is I go in here, and then I just close up these spaces. Very simple, very, very easy. And then as well as on my titles here, I always want to bold them and to increase the size a little bit, just for the actual readability of it. So put around 16. 16 to 18 is very good. And once again, if you want to change the font style, you can do that. I leave it the same normally. Let's see. So you can marker yellow and do green like this, big, small. Stuff like that as well over here if you want to. So do this, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean this all up, and then I'm going to pause the video, and then once this is all cleaned up, I'll come back in and then show you how to put in images, videos, and all that. So just hang on a second and let me go over here, and I'll just Okay, I'm back now, and I've cleaned up, as you can see, I've cleaned up my text here a little bit, just so that you don't have to watch me do that. Right here, we want to make sure that things are congruent. So on the message title, we want it the same as our header. So let's do this tonight, and let's make this the same size. So 16, and I think it was bolded. There you go. And what you want to do is, for some on-page SEO, you want to take this, come here into the normal. So on your header with the keywords in it, you want to do a H1. Make that a H1 because that's part of the on-page SEO. And then I'm going to show you how to put in a image right here underneath. It's very simple. So you scroll down, or you put your cursor where you want the image, and you go up here to your little image, just like a little mountain icon, and where it says Add Media. You're going to click on that, and then it says Image here. Upload from your computer, or if you have it in your gallery, you can do it right there as well. So upload from computer, click on Browse Computer, and then I have one for sleeping, and then we're going to open, and then that's going to be inserted, and then you push Add Media right there. It's complete, and then your media, there's your picture right there. Very simple, very, very easy. If you notice that you can move the image size, you can make it bigger or smaller. And then you can take it if you want to put it on the left, or if you want to put it in the middle. So let's keep it here on the left because it's kind of a big image. And let's go down here. So once again, let's go. So vitamins to help you sleep tonight, and the image is over here to the left. It's kind of big, and that's okay. And then if you see down here, oops, there's a little bullet point there. Let's get that out. And there you go. Let's put that to the left. There you go. So very simple, very, very easy. Once again, you can change your text size if you want to. Right there, you go to size. I kind of like to make everything, let me scroll down here, everything around a 14. It makes it just a little bit easier to like read. And I'll probably have to come back in and redo some of this stuff as well. So here you go, vitamins to help you sleep, and this is in H1 on your first heading title. Once again, you can do that right there, heading 1, and then on your next heading for SEO. So vitamins to help you sleep. Let's put it right here for the on-page SEO. Oops. Is it right? Vitamins to help. See, you don't have to. Ooh, look at that. It's caps. See, you don't have to know how to type. Vitamins to help you sleep. And then put a little thing, boop, right there. So once again, for on-page SEO, you want to copy this and do this in H2. Okay, so that's in H2. So you have, for on-page SEO, you have H1. You have H2. Be sure that's bolded. Yep. And then so again, on your first headings, you want H1, you want H2, and then on your third heading with the keyword in it, you want to do right here, vitamins help you sleep. That's 1. That's 2. Vitamins help you sleep. Take your vitamins. We'll do that. That's going to be H3, and then every header below that with the keywords in it needs to be in H3. So let's go up here once again and look at the keywords research. So you want to do some SEO. So vitamins is one of our keywords, and on the first paragraph, the keywords have to be in the first paragraph. So you want to bold it, your first keyword. So once again, our keywords are vitamins to help sleep, help, we'll do italicized, and then underline. So this is on-page SEO. Okay, so in the first paragraph, it needs to be vitamins, your keyword, help, sleep. So it has to be bolded, italicized, or underlined, because that makes the search engines, when they see this knows that this article is with the keywords vitamins help sleep. You can do 2 as well if you want to. We'll do italicize on that. Okay, so vitamins to help sleep, those are our keywords. So in the first and the last paragraph, those have to be bolded, vitamins, sleep, help, underline, and then there is a 2 right there. 2. So we will underline that as well, or italicize that is fine. So in the last paragraph, your keywords are 2, vitamins, 2, help, sleep. So this italicized, bolded, underlined, and italicized. So in the first and last paragraph on the on-page SEO, you have to have the keywords in it, as well on the first heading, H1, with the keywords in it. Second heading with the keywords in it, H2, and then if you come down here, and then is that H3? Do we do H3 there? What, H1? That's H2. Let's go down here to H3. Okay, and then we'll do that as a H3. So every heading beyond below that with the keywords in it needs to be an H3. So we're doing some keyword on-page SEO right now just to get it done and out of the way. And as you can see, it's very simple, very, very easy. All right, and we'll go ahead and do those, and I'll come back later on and finish up the actual on-page SEO at a later time. So if you want to do, so here once again on your image, what you want to do is you want to, so you can click here on the image. If you notice up here on the add link button right there, you want to do that, and then on the title right here, you want to put in the keywords. Vitamins to, just make sure I had the right keywords, to help sleep. Okay, so you want to put that in the title, and then on the URL, whatever you want to have this link to, you do add. So once again, I'm going here to my Advocare site, go into products, go into well, and SleepWorks. Click on that, and that takes you to the SleepWorks page. And then I'm taking my personal URL from there. I'm copying that, and then I'm doing this, and I'm pasting that right there. And this is giving me the URL. And then in the title, you want the keywords because that's going to help you with the keyword search or the on-page SEO. And you press OK. And now this picture is linked up. Behind it is a keyword with a URL. So if someone clicks on that, that goes directly to your Advocare page with SleepWorks. See how simple that is? That's so very powerful. So if you want to do, once again, if you want to put these things in bullet points, you can do that. So you put it there in bullet points, and you can go back and change all this as well. So we did that part. Vitamins to help sleep. The issue. Let's go here. Take your vitamins. Looking. Okay, and then once again, you can go in and you can change. There's a space there. Actually, that space is there is okay. I need to put a space here so people can read it. So let's go here to vitamins to help you sleep. Let's put a YouTube video in there, and we'll do so. Once again, you want to put your cursor where the actual link is going to go, and then what you want to do is you can go back up here to your add media. Okay, and you want to put in video, and then what you can do this is awesome. You can go to a YouTube and type in Advocare SleepWorks. Go here because they have this very cool video, and we'll stop that. Grab this URL up here, and you can do this with any YouTube video. Put that there, and you're going to paste it right in this little box here, and then push Add Media. And there is your video. How awesome is that? Oh, that's great. And then you want to take this right there, and then what you want to do is you want to come down, and then you can start adding. So the buy now. Let's add an image there. Actually, let's add an image. Yeah, buy now. Let's do it right there. It's good. So I want to delete that. I put this in here just to remind me where to put a image or like a call to action. So image, upload from computer. I think it's browse from. I think it's a buy now. Buy now button. Let's see if that's right. Cancel. Hang on one second. Let me double check here because I have a couple images. Sleeping by now button. That's it right there. Yeah. All right. So go back here, desktop, buy now button, and then open. Okay. So we'll add that in there, and once again, we can make it smaller because it's a buy now button. You don't want it too big. Yep, and then we'll put that here in the middle. And then once again, do your URL link to that. And you want to get spell today vitamins to help sleep. And then the URL, go back to Advocare, grab that URL again because I actually copied one from here. Go back here, and then you're going to paste it there. Okay, push OK. And once again, when someone clicks on this buy now button, it's going to take them directly to it's going to take them here to the Advocare site right there. So let's go back here, and let's go down here to the bottom, and so as you see, I have like another another call to action, and right here, so here's at the very bottom. So for more information, click here now, and so you want to take this whole text right there. I want to do another URL, and once again, it's the same URL going to my Advocare, and oops, to help sleep. Okay, and then push OK, and then now you have a link right here from this part right here to, and then we'll actually change the actual link color here in a minute. So for more information, click here now. And then once again, you can go through here, and when someone clicks on this, they'll take them directly to their Sleep Now product page. How awesome and simple is that? And then go in here, let's do like another image. And then I'm going to do an image, upload from, and I have one in my library. So we can go down here, so we click that. This is mine. Then add that in here. And then there's my image, and I want to make it smaller. And make sure it's there. Yep. So there's my image there. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And then we look at later. All right. So very simple, very easy. So I now have my image in here, and then we have all this going on. We have a video in here. You have some images, and so this gives you a really good idea. I will go back through here in a minute. I'll actually pause this, add some more images, and then we'll walk through how to publish and do some more SEO stuff as well. So let me stop this recording, and I'll come back here in just a second. Okay, I'm back now, and what I've done is I've gone through and I've cleaned up the actual text, put in some more images and some more URL links as well. And so let's go ahead and show you and publish this. So what you want to do is you want to go to Publish and click on Publish. And then it's going to say Add Members' Names or Product Purchase Groups. You're going to click on this. And then I want this to be a public blog. So you click on that. And then it will say, please select your blog. So I want to go there, and let's click it here. And I want to go to my Advocare blog. So because this is asking you which blog do you want this post to actually go to. So we click on that, and then please select a category. And then I'll use the sleep supplements. You can add a brand new category here. So if you want to do like sleep, weight loss, 24-day challenge, whatever you want to do, you just click on this right there, and then you just type that in. But I want to put it here under sleep supplements, and there you go. And so down here on SEO options, once again, this is the meta title. So you want to vitamins to help you sleep tonight. So once again, you want the keywords of vitamins to help sleep. Okay, so those are the keywords, and that's a title which someone will see. So down here are the or the meta tag or the keyword. So sleep, help, vitamins. So it's kind of done it for you a little bit, but you want to use 8 or less. Vitamins. Let's see, help, uh, 2, and then let's put Advocare in there. Uh, help, vitamins, sleep, and those once again, those are our keywords. Vitamins to help sleep, and let's put Advocare just in case someone's looking for some Advocare, and let's do SleepWorks as well. All right. So those are in there. So here's the meta description, and once again, this is going to show up of what the person will see when they go in and Google, and this is like auto fills in here for you. So let's kind of delete that out and start. So let's say, are you tired of being tired? Question mark. So once again, you're asking them a question. Are you tired of being tired? See, this page will give you. This page will show you. You can sleep, baby. Let's see, is that what I'll say? This page will show you how you can sleep like a baby tonight. Tonight. Okay, because once again, you only have 160 characters allowed. I have used 90. Once again, this is just for like example, but I'll probably come in here and rechange this later on. So what you want to do, once again, you want to look up here, vitamins to help you sleep tonight. Yeah, and then you want to come down and you want to say you have this done, you have that done. That's the keywords and the meta title. Oh, we need to have the keywords in here, don't we? In the meta description. This page will show you that's what I did wrong. Help you. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this page will show you the vitamins that will help you. Let's see, yeah. That will help you sleep like a baby. Let's put in 2 because we need the keyword. All right, so we've used 117 characters out of 160. So here's what it'll say. Are you tired of being tired? This page will show you the vitamins. This page will show you the vitamins that will help you sleep like a baby tonight. So once again, the keywords are vitamins help you sleep. Yep, vitamins help you sleep tonight. To sleep. Okay, so keywords are in the meta description. Keywords are in here in the meta keyword tags, and as well as the meta title. All right. So what you want to do is you want to hit publish. And then there is your blog. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So let's go back up here and let's go see. If you ever want to edit this, all you have to do is hit edit, and then then you go in and edit this information, and then we'll push cancel, and then we'll go back up here to view edit my blog, and let's see what it looks like. As it loads up here, normally it's not this slow, but it's the blogging hour, and so a lot of people are on here using this platform. Let's go here again. There it goes. And let it load up. And once again, this is taking you to your default, the Empower. And so you want to go here to Advocare Success Team. And then that here is your blog, right? How awesome is this? How awesome is that? And there's your video. There's a buy now button. And once again, right here, a call to action on the bottom. Let's go up here real quick and see right here. We need to change this stuff. I didn't do that when I showed you how to. So what you want to do is on the link color, go on, link color, let it load up here. It's a little bit slow today. So on the link color, you want to make it red, okay? And then on the title font, I like it, once again, this is the actual title font. I like it personally in blue. And oops, there it is. Close that out. Let's go up here to this. You can slide these bars right there to make it on the blue that you want. So I'm gonna make it just like that. Save changes. And then you're gonna close out that window, and then look at that, right there. Then I just need to actually go back in here and change this font right there. Once again, you can do that with editing. But if you notice, you have a picture here. I got a picture there, and then I need to actually clean up these spaces up a little bit as well. But you have your video there. Woo, that's loud. That's loud. So simple, right? So very, very easy. And look at this cool blog. And then you have a save 20% by clicking now. Just click on that, and this link will take you right here to how to become a distributor. And then we'll go back here. And then, so for more information, you can click there as well. And this takes you to Sleepworks and look at all your links. And what you want to do as well, once you're done with this, you want to go in and you want to, there's my image. Is there a link on there? See, I did not put like a link on this, and so I need to go back and put a link on this here. So you want to go back through and check all of your links to make sure that they are working. So you go back up here, buy now, Sleepworks, awesome, isn't it? This is great. So simple. And once again, I actually want to come in and redo these spaces here because this is kind of like the actual rough draft. And then as well, you can change all the font, you can change all the colors. And once again, I need to actually change this as well and make this bolded because this was bolded and this was not bolded. And so on the categories, when you do a category, you want to do because when someone comes out here on this page, they will see a category. So you can do like sleep supplements, you can do the 24-day challenge, you can do weight loss, you can do all these different categories, and that will show up here in your post because when people come here, they'll actually look at these and click on these other things as well. So here's the cool thing about this. Once again, is that you're selling, and so once again, check on this, you're selling your AdvoCare product right here with this blog, okay? If they see this and they say, well, that's okay, that's good, but they're not really interested in it, you all can always sell your Empower Network here as well. So you're double dipping off of one site. So there's multiple streams of income just doing this. And as you see, it's taken me probably maybe 20 minutes, half hour to actually do this. It was slower for me because I was explaining to you the actual process. But once you get the process down, much easier, much simpler. So let's go back here real quick and look at the SEO. So once again, in the title page, you have the keywords vitamins to help sleep. Okay, the actual first title, vitamins to help sleep, and this is going to be an H1. This is going to be an H2 title, and then everything after that with the keywords in it will be an H3 title. If you've noticed, I've put the keywords in the body text. Here's vitamins bolded, help italicized, sleep underlined. So you want to do this in the anchor text. And then as well as you want to see what the keyword density is. So let's go here and I'll copy this and let's go to a different, let me go here. And then let me turn on the good old SEO Quake. So you enable that and you type in, paste and go there. And then that takes me here. That takes me here to the actual blog and what it looks like. Looks awesome. Looks awesome, awesome, awesome. So what you want to do is you want to go up here to density. So it says keyword density, and you want to see what your keyword density is. So right here it says the keyword sleep is 4.9%, which is good. You want it's like a little bit high. I'll probably pull out a few of those because you want it anywhere from 2 to 3%. Nothing over 5%. Help is 2.52%. That's a sweet spot. Vitamins 2.7, and then so vitamins help, and then 2 it actually won't show up because that's here. But here, if you see once again in the keyword phrases, So up here is the keyword itself. Down here, if you scroll down, is keyword phrases. To help is 3.65%. That's awesome. Help you 3.8. You sleep 3.3. Vitamins 2.78. So you're seeing that the keywords, the density throughout the body of the text is right there in the sweet spot. So sleep 4%, help 2.5, vitamins 2.17, and this is why I actually love SEO Quake, because you can go in and you can recheck to make sure that your keyword density is correct with in the actual body text. So close that out. And once again, this is how it would look. This is the actual URL. This is showing up as my first page because it is my first post. But in the future, when you do a blog post, the keywords vitamins to help you sleep will be up here in the URL. So let's go back real quick and double check to make sure that we've done everything on the on-page SEO. So here's once again is the SEO checklist. So I have the keyword in my in the URL, which will be here on my next post. But once again, because this is the first post, it's doing this as my default page. And so here we go. So H1, H2, H3 in the first header. And so once again, that'll be H1, H2, and then H3 in these different headers right here. So we've done that. Keyword in the title. And the title, once again, is here, vitamins to help you sleep. We have the keywords there. We've done that in the actual meta description. We actually did the actual keywords there. The keyword in the meta tag, we did that. Keyword in alt tags for images. And again, when we loaded this, so if you notice, as we scroll over this image, it shows up vitamins to help sleep. That's showing the keywords that are on the back side of this image. So we've done a image there as well as a URL link, and that will help you with your on-page SEO. So keyword, so the keyword in alt tags, we've done that for the images. Keyword in the first paragraph, first time use bolded. So we go here. So the first paragraph, it's bolded, italicized, and underlined. You actually do that if you have multiple keywords, but if it was just vitamins, you would just bold it the actual one time. And let's go here. Keyword in the last paragraph. So scroll down. Last paragraph, vitamins, help. Once again, vitamins keyword, help, sleep. So vitamins is bolded. Help is underlined, sleep is italicized. And so that is good. We've done that. So keyword emphasized in your body. So you underline, bold, and italicize the anchor text. And back up here, I did that up here. So, and this is the actual body of the text. So vitamins, sleep, help, and 2 right there. So that is in the body of the text. And let's go back here. Let's see what else. The keyword density is scattered throughout the body 2 to 3%, and I actually showed you about that. 5% is the max. So outbound links. So you want to outbound link a YouTube video, and so that's why we put the video in. Very easy, very simple, and it looks awesome. Let's see, we've done that. A call to action. So you want to be sure that you have a call to action to have them do something. So they have the buy now. I will also put this buy now image for you down below, so you can actually download this as well. That will help you in the future with that. So we had a call to action here, call to action here, and then call to action here. So once again, you always want them to actually do something from your site, and I would probably put another call to action right here as well, just underneath the video, and I would pull out, once again, I'd pull out these spaces here. Let's see. So what else? Call to action post has at least 350 words. 500 or over is best. So once again, I have over like 1,000 words there. So 1,000 words there, so that's perfect, and that's awesome. So once again, at this point you would want to go in and you'd want to backlink and do backlinks using your software, using OnlyWire, TribePro and Article Demon to actually put the backlinks to this, so people will start looking at it, and once again that will give your site some awesome off-page SEO stuff. And so let's go back here and then ping your post to Ping-O-Matic. So let's go do that real quick. And any time that you change or edit a post, you want to ping it. So what you want to do is go to Ping-O-Matic. Ping-O-Matic. Okay. So Ping-O-Matic. Let me close. Let me disable this. So you want to go to Ping-O-Matic. And what this is doing, this is telling the search engines that that there's a brand new blog out there, and for it to start crawling or start looking at your blog post. So what you want to do is you want to go up here to your blog name, and what you can do is, if I can copy it, I don't know if I copy it off here. Oops, vitamins, I can't do that. So to help you sleep. Okay, so that's the title of the page. That's the title of the page, and you want to grab this URL right here. You want to copy that, go back here, paste it there. It's going to give you 2 HTTP, so you want to pull out this first one. So you do that, and then what you want to do is come here and check these boxes here. Do that. And then you want to say send pings. And then once you've done that, it says pinging is complete. And then you just close this out. Once again, the Ping-O-Matic is sending backlinks. It's telling the correction. It's what it's doing is it is letting the search engines know that there's a brand new site or a brand new blog out there on this blog page. And any time that you make a change to a blog post, you want to re-ping it because it shows that the search engine that this is a active site, and it has relevant content. So let's go back here. So that is pretty much it. So once again, this is awesome. You have images here, which everything is linked to your AdvoCare site. You have videos, and you have videos here. You have call to actions. You have links on here. Save 20%. Click on that, takes them here. So you're beginning to understand how powerful this can be, because once again you're double dipping. So you're making money off of selling product, as well as becoming and then getting distributors, as well as reselling your Empower network right here. And look how clean this looks. And again, if you want to change the actual background color, you can do that. You can do that here. Just kind of show you, just kind of let's see here. Customize blog color. Let's see what that does. Let's make it like a blue, just out of curiosity. So you save changes, and then that will show you there. And then we can go back here and just push F5 to. And that's what it would look like. So if you want to change the actual, and that looks pretty darn good actually. I would probably lighten up the actual blue just a little bit, but I like that. So once again, it shows you how easy that you can use this system. This is a very powerful system. So we'll just go to, like, save changes, close this out, and then go back to your activity blog. And then it shows you once again your blogs, which you have right here. Very simple, very powerful. And once again, I would come in here if you want to edit it. Come in there, push edit, and see how this is bolded. So tick here, and I would just, that's not bolded. I would just bold that. And once again, to save changes, you just push update, and it updates it. And then let's kind of just see what we did. So there you go. That's bolded. Look how good this looks. Look how easy it was. So there's not much more than that. So get out, start blogging, and remember, you want to have at least 50 blogs or posts out there under very targeted keywords that have high search engines. Once again, this one here only has like 170, but just imagine what it would be like if you're hitting keywords that had searches anywhere from like 200 to 5,000 a month. And once again, everything is linked to your Advocare microsite, and this is why it's important to actually have both sites. But this really is your main site right here. So once again, get blogging, get to work. When you get this all down, one quick thing. People always ask, well, what do you blog about? So if you go here to your site, and let's go here. Let's see here. Okay, so this doesn't show you. That doesn't show you strength training and sports performance. Let's see here. Over details. Okay, so on the details, what you want to do is you don't want to copy and paste from Advocare site and put that as a blog post. Okay, you want to look at this, and it gives you more of a framework to actually work around. The cool thing about this, about doing Advocare with the products, is that it has ingredients. Okay, so what you can do is you can go in and see and search online for the benefits of B6 and how that would help with sports performance, and then put that into your blog. Because once again, you want to have anything a blog post over 500 or more. And so if you go into like vitamin B6, vitamin B12, green leaf, so all these ingredients you can go in and find out, and then develop your blog post around that. Okay, and so once again, you don't want to do it. You don't want to copy directly from the actual Advocare site, because Google does not like to have duplicated information. Okay, so once again, that's the easy way to actually do a blog post. Blog often, blog every single day. Once again, it will take me, once I have the actual idea or the product or the keyword, it will take me half an hour at max to actually do a blog. So I can do 3 to 4 blogs a day over different sites, over different areas within a few hours. So once again, you see how easy this is, how simple this is. All you have to do is do it, and do it often. Blog every single day, and you can definitely do this. Start building your business and start building your team. This is Brian Mandrell. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.